In front of you guys, I'll be buying a funded account. I'll pass that, and also I'll be sharing my strategy where you can use that to pass your funded account. Okay, now what are these funded accounts? Prop firm is a company that provides funded accounts for traders. These funded accounts will have funds in them, and traders who complete the given criteria can withdraw the profits that they make on their funded account. So a trader, if he's confident, he can get a $5,000 account, $10,000 account, $25,000, $50,000 or a $100,000 account. And after he passes the first and the second stage, whatever profit he makes from trading, he can withdraw that. So it's 80 and a 20% split. 80% is for the trader and 20% is for the prop firm. Guys, usually this ratio changes depending upon which prop firm you're using. Now assume that in step 1 you'll pay $359 and you'll buy a $50,000 funded account. In step 2, you'll be trading under a demo account, and this demo account will have two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. So once you pass this stage 1 and stage 2, in stage 3 you'll be given with live $50,000 funded account. In case if you fail to pass the first or the second stage, then your $50,000 funded account will get suspended. In case if you pass both the first and the second stage, you'll be moved to the third stage. And in this third stage, you'll be trading on a live account with $50,000 funds. Now let's assume that you took a trade and made $10,000 profit. $8,000 you can withdraw, and a $2,000 split the prop firm will keep. Now keep this in mind. If you fail the first or the second step, your account will get suspended. If somehow, if you pass the first and the second stage and move on to the third stage, if you get liquidated there, then again your funded account will get suspended. You will again have to buy a new funded account and you'll have to start from the beginning. Guys, understand one thing here. The prop firm who's providing you the funded account, they will make money here whether you pass or fail. And the other person will make money, lot of money here is a trader. A beginner who's new to crypto, who doesn't know anything about futures trading, it's very difficult for them to crack this funded account by themselves. In case if you are not a trader but you want to try this funded account and you want to pass that, then you need to watch the video till the end. Okay, I'll tell you how to pass these funded accounts. Okay guys, now let's start from the beginning. Which prop firm is best right now in this crypto industry? Guys, there's only few out there and I'm using a Cointracts funded firm. Okay guys, now in the description of this YouTube video, you'll find this Cointracts funded link. So click on this link and it will take you to this page here. Guys, in crypto, there's only few funded account companies. So I trade everything and I find that Cointracts is much better than all. Okay, now here enter your name, your last name, here enter your email address and click on this get code option. Okay, here you have to scroll this and place it here and you should complete this puzzle. Okay guys, now you'll get a verification code to your provided mail ID. So enter that here. Now set up a strong password. Re-enter that same password here. Under phone number, I'll leave it blank. It's optional. Now click on register. Okay guys, account has been registered and you should log in. Guys, here you should enter the same email address and password that you used now to create the account. And click on sign in. Again complete this puzzle. Click on get code. Again you will get a code to your mail ID. Enter that here. Yeah guys, once you set up everything correctly, you'll get an interface just like this and this is your funded account. And here I don't have any challenge, means I don't have any active funded account. To get an account, click on this new challenge option. So here you have different funded account challenges. It starts from $2,000 account to $100,000 account. So this $2,000 funded account, it just starts from $19. Now guys, assume that you took a trade with $19 on your exchange. Even if you make like 100% returns, you'll be making just $19 in profit, right? But if you put $19 here and get this $2,000 funded account, and if you pass the first and second stage and in the third live stage, if you make 100% returns, then you'll be making $2,000 in profit. Now for $79, you'll be getting this $10,000 account. For $189, $25,000 funded account. For $359, $50,000 account. And for $579, you'll be getting this $100,000 account. Guys, if you're a beginner, my suggestion is first try with this small account, $19 account, okay? So that you can gain some experience first. Okay, now I'll be buying this $50,000 account. Here you'll have two options for payment, crypto payment and UPI payment. Here I'll be going with crypto payment. Here enter your name, last name, your country, city, state, and tick this box here and click on place order. So here you can select whichever USDT network you want. Most preferred is BP20 or TRC20. I'll go with TRC20. Click on confirm. So here you have 29 minutes time left to complete this transaction, okay? And you have to send exactly $359 to this provided address here. Assume that $1 is the transaction fee to transfer USDT on your exchange. So you'll have to send $360, okay? So $1 will get deducted and exactly $359 will be sent here. So depending upon which network you're using, first calculate the fee and then transfer carefully. So this is the USDT address. Simply click here to copy this address, or you can just scan this QR code and send USDT. And once your transaction is complete, in few minutes time you'll be getting this funded account, and it will look like this is my $50,000 funded account. And in case if you want to buy one more account, you simply come on to this trader section and click on this new challenge option, and whatever accounts you buy, it will all be displayed here one below the other. Okay guys, now here you have two options, dashboard and trade. Guys, under dashboard you'll find all the details and criteria, and if you click on trade, it will take you to the futures trade section. So if you click on dashboard, it will take you to this page here. Here it will show your unrealized profit. I have $4,000 worth of trade still running, okay? So it's showing minus $23 negative, and this is realized profit. Whenever you open a trade and book profit, that profit will be shown here. This is equity and account balance. Status account active. In case if you fail the challenge, then it will display failed or deactivated. Okay guys, now these are all the criteria that you should keep in mind. Account type, under stage 1 it's demo, stage 2 also it's demo, and under stage 3 you'll be trading on a live funded account. Initial balance, it's the type of funded account that you selected. It's $50,000 account. Challenge leverage, it's maximum 5x leverage. Trading period is unlimited for all three stages. Minimum trading days is at least 5 trading days. Now guys, what is this? Let's assume that I took one trade today. So here it will show as 1 out of 5 days. If I take another trade tomorrow, it will show 2 out of 5. In case if I take one trade after 1 month, it will show as 3 out of 5. So minimum you should trade for 5 days, okay? Time is unlimited, you can take as many years as you want, but minimum trading days is 5 days. In case guys, if I take one trade today and if I make the full required profits to pass the funded account, I'm not going to be moving on to the second stage. The criteria is you should complete a minimum 5 days of trading. So first stage it's 5 days, second stage also it's minimum 5 days, and in the third stage it's 0, there's no restrictions. Minimum daily loss, it's $2,500. I cannot lose more than $2,500 per day. In case if I lose, then my account will get deactivated. Guys, minimum daily losses, it's same for all three stages. Okay, now maximum loss that I can lose in total is $5,000. In case if my total losses touch around $5,000, then my account will get suspended. So on first stage, maximum loss is $5,000. Second stage also it's $5,000, and under live account, which is this third stage, it's $4,000. Now under profit target, to pass this first stage, I'll have to make like $4,000. So if I make $4,000, I'll pass the first stage and I'll move on to the second stage. Now here, in order to pass the second stage, I'll have to make just $2,500. Once if I make that, I'll be moved to the third stage, okay? That is the live account. And under this third stage, there is no profit target. Whatever you earn, you can withdraw those profits. Okay guys, now if you want to start trading, you can go back and click on that trade option, or you can directly click here on this proceed to trade option. So guys, this is the interface where you carry out all your future trades. This is the BTC chat where you can carry out all your technical analysis stuff here. This is the time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. In case if you want to trade on a different coin, click here and select whichever coin you want, or you can search it up here. Under this, you can select isolated mode or cross mode. I usually go with isolated mode. This is leverage. You can click on this and select how much leverage you want. Maximum leverage you can take up is 5x. That's it. Now here you can set your limit price and down below enter how much USDT you want to put on this trade. In case if you don't want to go with limit option, you have three options here: limit, market, and trigger. So once you put how much USDT you want to put on trade, down below here you can set your TP bar SL. Here you have this buy long and sell short option. I'll click on buy long. So whatever trade I open, it will be shown here, okay, down below. And these are the two trades that I previously opened. Now, if you want to close this trade, you simply come here and click on this close option. I'll select the market price, select how much percentage of trade you wanna close, and click on this confirm option. That's it. Guys, in case if you don't know like how to trade but you wanna try this funded account thing, and like if you're expecting help, then in the description of this YouTube video you'll find my WhatsApp channel link. So click on that link and follow me there. On my WhatsApp channel I'll be giving you trade signals to pass your funded account, so you can follow that. Okay guys, now if you want to start your funded account journey, the link will be in the description of this video. Okay guys, now you set up everything, you bought the funded account, you're ready to trade now, but you want signals like when to enter a trade, when to exit the trade, then do follow me on my WhatsApp channel. On my WhatsApp channel I'll be providing signals especially to crack these funded accounts. So you can use those signals to trade on funded account and it will help you crack that funded account. So guys, my WhatsApp channel link, I'll leave it in the description of this video. And also guys, do follow me on my Telegram channel. In case if there's anything related to funded account, I'll be posting those posts on my Telegram channel. And along with that, I'll also be posting crypto related stuff. And in case if I get any emergency crypto news, the first thing I'll do is I'll make a post on my Telegram channel. So do follow me there. My Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. Okay, now please do drop a like on this video. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now, if you're a subscriber, then I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.